Okay, a pile driver is hammering a pile into the ground. The graph below shows the distance the pile moves into the ground on the nth hit. The values of Tm form a geometric sequence. Use the information from the graph to determine the common ratio for the sequence. Okay, so I know that R equals T2 divided by T1, which in this instance T2 is 48 divided by 64. So 48 divided by 64 equals 0.75. B, write a recurrence relation to generate the values of Tn. So I know recurrence relation is Tn plus 1 equals the term before it times my common ratio. Now here I know that my common ratio is 0.75. And I know my first value, it's 64. So that's my recurrence relation, or recursive formula. Write the nth term rule for the values of Tn. Okay, so the nth term is A times R to the power of n minus 1. So in this case, Tn is 64, which is our A value, times R, which is 0.75, to the value of n minus 1. Okay, determine the distance the pile moves into the ground on the 10th hit of the pile driver. Okay, so I've gone and put this recursive relationship into sequences on my class pad, and I can see that T10 equals 4.8054. So that's 4.8 centimetres. I then need to work out the first move less than 1 millimetre into the ground. Okay, so 1 millimetre is 0.1 centimetre. So again, if I have a look here, I can see that T24 equals 0.08 centimetres. So it is hit 24 is the one where it moves less than a millimetre.